everyone, and welcome back. I am Phil, the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to unbox the BYB Light desk lamp. So, pretty excited. As you know, we're doing the office, so it's we need a lamp for the desk, and this is what we found. Well, my wife found it. We're gonna unbox it. This is the BYB, the BYB Light LED diffusion desk lamp. So looks like it's got touch controls, a couple of different things, 6 brightness levels, no flicker, and a 50,000 hour lifetime. So that's pretty cool. 4 different light modes. We're gonna open this up, see what's in here. Looks like we got a cloth to wipe it down with. Got our user manual. And happy, not happy, huh? Looks like customer service thing. Alright, what's in here? Looks like we've got a little tool, I guess just to put it together. So it comes with some tools here. Tiny wrench, Allen wrenches. Okay, you got your power supply. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Got something in this here. It's a nice little bag it comes with though. Alright, let's open. What is in here? I think this is the clamp that you use to put on your desk. Yeah, it's the clamp. Use it to put on the side of your desk and clamp it in. So it's nice. It feels really good here. So I guess this is what you use to clamp to your desk, because this part right here, no scratch surface, so it feels really nice. So depending on which side you put it on, I think it would be better on this side. But and it'll clamp onto your desk. Let's see here. So, yeah, that's how it clamps on. It's not moving. So. Let's take this out of here. Got this part here. Oh, Alright. We've been looking for a lamp, and we found this one. My wife found this one. Not really sure how to get this out of here. But since we have our desk in there, I don't want to break it. There we go. So this is it. This is the lamp itself. You're able to adjust it to places that you want to put it. So let's see here. So here's where you would turn on the power. Looks like it's got a power switch here. And not sure what this is yet. I haven't looked at the manual. And not sure what that is, but you're able to use that to turn on the power. And I'm going to put this on here so we can see if we can. So it looks like this would go on here. Oh, there's a little knob here that you have to turn. Alright. So this is it here. And voila. I guess that's how you put it on your desk. Not sure what this is for yet, but I think maybe to make it as tight or as loose as you want it to be. But yes, this is it. I'm going to put this on our desk, and I'm going to do a review on this pretty shortly. Again, this is the BYB Light LED diffusion desk lamp. I think it's going to be pretty nice. I mean, hopefully it's bright enough to actually use. You can actually even turn it to positions that you want. It looks like you got a plug here, and then this part will plug in here, and you plug it into your wall outlet. And I got a good place for it to go. So again, this is it right here. Okay. So again, what I was telling you, there's the power button here, and there's a little line here. A little line here that you would actually use to kind of much just slide to adjust the light brightness. This is the BYB Light LED diffusion desk lamp. Desk lamp by BYB. Haven't used their products before. This is my first time, so we're going to test it out. I'll get a review on it. I will give a link to where I got this from, where you can get this from, and do a review on this pretty soon. Let you see what this works, how it works, and everything. So again, I am Phil with You Take Dad. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you like my unboxing, please press that like button. Any comments, please put some comments down at the bottom. If you have any questions on this, I'll get back to you as fast as I can. And again, I am Phil with You Take Dad, and thanks for watching.